In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your table from Gemini into a Microsoft Word document. Now, as you can see, I have just generated a table here. Now, the problem is if I take this table and copy it and come and paste it here, you realize that the formatting has been lost. What I would wish is to paste this document here with the table, and the table should not lose its formatting. So to do that, let me go ahead and undo this and then show you what we need to do. Now, to be able to paste that document well, go to this website called Writage and then download this extension. This is a Word extension that can be downloaded on Windows. If you are using Mac OS, go ahead and download for Mac OS. Now, the reason why we need this is because Gemini gives responses in a Markdown format. Now, once you have installed that extension, and by the way, I have left the website to this extension in the description section. So once you install this extension, you will see now a new tab on your Word document written Writage. So from here, go ahead and open Gemini and go now copy our document. And for this, I'll copy using this. Let me copy it. And now let's go ahead, open our document, our Word document, which is blank. Now don't go ahead and paste it direct, but rather go to Writage and tap on it. From here now you can see an option, paste markdown. Now go ahead and tap on it, and then all of a sudden our table has been pasted without losing its formatting. So that's how you can copy and paste a table from Google Gemini to a Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.